International conferences at Minhaj University Lahore provide a forum for sharing the results of research in various fields of expertise. At Minhaj University Lahore, we regularly hold conferences to which we invite national and international scholars to present their papers. Such international conferences at Minhaj University Lahore give participants an opportunity to listen to experts who have come from different countries to present the results of their research.
My name is Duncan Peters. I'm from Scotland.
My name is Corinne Wahid. I live already for 15 years in Pakistan and I come from the Netherlands.
Conferences covered a very wide range of issues and challenges in Islamic finance.
This conference provides a platform for the academicians and scholars all over the world.
These international conferences are a means for the communication of knowledge and for the facilitation of new learning. They promote a love for reading, writing, analyzing, and sharing valuable information with others. These conferences also provide intellectual nourishment, which is the stimulation that our minds need to acquire knowledge. The effort involved in organizing and conducting such conferences helps to raise awareness of various social, political, and religious issues. Research conferences provide an opportunity to check facts, investigate common biases and statistical errors, and to examine other methodological issues in a scholarly way. In addition to organizing international conferences, Minhaj University Lahore also publishes 6 research journals, which include the following: Journal of Professional Research in Social Sciences, South Asian Journal of Religion and Philosophy, International Journal of Islamic Economics and Governance, Zoraz, Al-Irfan, and Minhaj Journal of Economics and Organization Science.